Sanasi.
Hold that now. I can't miss a early night morning. Like in a most corona house. Social distance.
Mas Dan man, look how long I call from morning on.
Mas Dan, me la home man in a yard with you. I'm there man, you know.
You remember some of the funeral?
Funeral and who then?
You know Miss Joy's biggest last son dead one day.
Miss Jive's biggest last son.
Yeah.
So I funeral like him.
So keep down a white church, just a man up in a blue.
So how can my son dead now?
I want the man gonna kill himself and run him man.
Alright, so you know say me alone a fresh door.
Jesus Christ.
What do you mean Jesus Christ?
You must have fallen through that today. You
Me
have
a
all
see.
a beard.
You see him? Me not see him, you know. So you try to say, you have a man that like beard? That you try to say, boy?
That me about you from a day now.
Come like you never buy your face and name nasty. Now you forget lock up your phone and bomb button.
Really, nigga?
Tell her what I beard. Keep your mouth.
Alright, Mr.
A
Nas.
few moments later.
Backside, Jerry, you there too?
Yes, Mas. No.
Yeah, I got funeral.
No, say no, see what me here.
Oh, come down if you're mad, man.
You love get you up, man. I say you go on in, man. It's nasty. Mas nasty.
Yes, Jerry, sir.
Oh, make it not like
I make me not like beard. Because water make me drink. But when I want to swim in it, like when I want to fish. I can't help it on right here.
Sorry, Miss Mas Nasi, come.
Me not hold no man hand. One. You know. No one has to say, you know. You're not got funeral. But yet still the day me yard. Well, you know hear about corona social distance. Don't make me come from funeral.
Just go on funeral.
Don't make me come from funeral.
I'm going to use like a Wi-Fi, you know?
One year.
Watch how you
Wi-Fi.
See watch how you
Wi-Fi 1 year. One new something on KFC. No matter look for me, you know. Have the beer first.